Welcome back to another review, and today I'm going to do about the cocomelon transforming school time bus. This is a story about cocomelon where they learn and teach about stuff and explore the world around them. And they also encourage and discover how this toy works. 2-in-1 transforming into a school. 3 favorite songs, light and sounds, wheels on the bus, and more. It's for ages 1 to 2, half to 4. Try me.
It's time for school.
Pull to expand. Powered by Duracell. Additional figures are sold separately and is subject to availability. These are from Jasper. Here's bag. Press for lights and sounds. Step 1, transform into a school bus. Step 2 and step 3, flip, spin, swing. Play clips of wheels on the bus, first day of school, and ABCs. Chair rotate, sleeping cat, pull down, chalkboard. Tables pops up. Let's open it up. You don't see this box for an hour because like how this box can reminds me when this can take a while to open, that's how it magically takes. Questions or concern to do not return to stores. Same thing. And here's instructions. Battery installations instructions. Tapes. Well, I don't think how this cool toy works by pressing the button and activate the sounds. Like I do care about this toys when it says about what they says about you, or have you ever told us about what this toy works? I bet it is. Nothing much better days about collecting toys. We're getting all the things out. Oh, it makes sounds.
school.
So here's the school bus out of the box. Now we're gonna get the figures out. Here's JJ. And here's Cody. It's rubber and it kind of squish like that. It's like a squishy material and it does have a hole underneath because that's how this squishy figure is like a rubber thingy, and that's why this rubber figure can fit in this school bus. It transformed into a playground. So, to simplify the playground, you have to lift it under the bus. Just like that, and it became a playground. Where JJ can play in the sand, count numbers to 1 to 7. That's how it magically goes. And Cody went on a swing. He could do 360s around. Come on. It's a cocomelon toy that's some reason to have one. There we go. I can get out nice and gently. There we go. It also has a, oh, it makes sounds. Oh man, that's how it magically goes when it makes sounds. But unfortunately, it won't make sounds nicer than what you expect, because now we've seen it once for weeks. And it's not articulated. They're just rubber material figures. There's a chalkboard on it. It has 1, 2, 3 and ABCs. It has a TV on it. We have 7 chairs. And what also has on there? We have some crayons, books, notebooks, pen, glue, scissors, maracas, 2 maracas. And over there it has a globe, earth globe, trains, and what else do they have? Teddy bears. And more stuff. How do you like this toy when they make more stuff? Because school bus makes a lot of stuff inside. Because that's how this product can make the bus cooler than what you expect. That's why it's so cool if you make one of these when I was a kid. If this bus can remind me when this school bus can learn about what you expect for years ago. Oh, sorry about that. In the back, has some 4 wheels. No, I mean 2 wheels. Oh yeah, you're right. 4 wheels. This wheel doesn't turn, but expect this 2 wheel doesn't turn, except for 2 wheels. But some of you know. Having the price for cost a lot of money is not worth it what you expect. That's something as much of a deal of that toy is kind of funnier to look at these toys. But some of these days are not funny at all. They're just basic figures. And these kind of funny are that the toy is for ages 1 to 2 to 4 years. I thought me and you can have all these times of your lives. Can I promise you to be one of your greatest toys of the year? I bet it is. Now sometimes school bus can ride on here. Sometimes the people can ride on the school bus. That's how it's supposed to sit gently when they sit nice and comfortable. That's how they sit nice and comfortable when they sit nicely, because that's how it's supposed to be when they are nice and comfortable. There are nothing much better days to seem to be when they are in the school bus. That's why our people are in the school bus. Can you take me to school one day? I bet it is. There are people riding on the school bus because when you see them on the bus, you can sit with your friends, because that's how this automatically goes with your cousins at least. That doesn't seem to be one of your greatest toys. This vehicle is like a nice student, and because that's how it's supposed to look like of your toy, like that. It says cocomelon logo right there, because that's how it's supposed to take one of your toys to at my local preschooler. Daycare. I thought we can do more of these kind of toys like this, because I think we can do more of these toys. My cousins like these toys for half a days, and they play with it a lot, and they are nice because these are the greatest toy of all. There are nothing much better than the other toys that we had, because that's how are their other toys that we seem to be your greatest toy of all, I bet. Why can we seem to be these toys for other days that we had for all these years? Because that's how when this toy came out all these years ago, because that's how why this toys are not, especially to the other ones. These are not always the best one because I already have one of these. Because these are the funniest toy to look at it. We seem to be your greatest toy of all because that's how it's supposed to look at it when you are a kid. Because now we've seen it. So that's why I'm supposed to look when you could get more of these. Because this is such a greatest toy of all. Like you see, these buses have all nice, cool things to look at it. Because that's why I'm man. Come on, you can teach us about what you put those figures on the bus. And that's why I'm supposed to teach us about you when you're getting some more of these figures like that. Because this is how it looks. And that's why you get more of these figures like that. Because this is how rubber figures looks like. My bad, it's our basic figures. I like it. Thanks for watching Cocomelon Transforming School Time Bus. Bye.